Hello there, my name is Godswill. Today I'll be showing you how you can bind your Royal Q application to your Binance account. Without wasting much of your time, let me take you straight to the process. So the very first thing you need to do is to have your Binance account open and your Royal Q account open at the same time. Okay. Now once you have this open, make sure that you have activated your Royal Q application. Without activation, you won't be able to do the bonding together. So let's go in straight. So you click on more. Once you click on more, look out for API management, which you can find at the bottom here. You click on it. All right. So once it loads, you will see here this place will have label API key. Okay. So here you're going to impute Royal Q. Then you click on create API. Okay. So once you do that, the next thing you need to do, you need to get the verification codes. Okay. So get the code. Let's get the code. Okay. Okay. The mobile is here. So let me check my email for the email. Okay. Here it is. Click on it. Then come back here. Paste it. Then click on submit. Good. So here you can see we have our API created. So this is our API. We have it created already. Okay. So the next thing we will now do is to click on this button. Let's see. You click here, this place. Okay. To enlarge it, you click on it. So now take notes. Take notes. Don't close this page, because the moment you close this page, your secret key will not be visible any longer. This secret key will not be visible. The moment you close this page, this secret key won't be visible. So once we've created it, the next thing we need to do is we need to go to our Royal Q. Okay, you go to your Royal Q. Let me see. Okay, you go to your Royal Q application. You click on API binding here. Okay, so you click on it. Once it opens, you select Binance, since you're bonding Binance together with a Royal Q. So the next thing you need to do, the very next step you need to do, is to copy this IP group binding address. Okay, you copy it, then you head over to your Binance account. You click on edit here. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will turn to save. You can see it has changed to save. So we'll scroll down. Please note, the only thing you need to enable in this account are just is just this one here. Okay. Enable this. We'll enable it. Okay. So another thing you need to do is to restrict access to trusted IPs only, which is the IP you've copied from your Royal Q application. Now you come here. Once you click on this, you come to this space, you paste it, then you click on excuse me. Okay, so you click on confirm here. You click on confirm. So after clicking on confirm, you go up, you click on save. Okay, you click on save. Once you click on save, it will request you to input a code. Okay, so you click there, get code. Once the code comes in, you copy it and you come here, you paste it, and then automatically you have successfully created your API and you have added your IP address. Okay, you have restricted it. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is to copy these details. These are the details we need, is to copy them, take them to Royal Q. So I've copied my secret key. I will come here and input my secret key. Then you go and copy your API key. Okay, so you copy your API key, fill it here. Make sure you copy the appropriate secret key and fill it in here. Okay, so let me go and copy my API. Okay, so this is my API. I will copy it this way. Then back to my Royal Q, place it here. Okay, then here I need to click I have read the risk notice carefully. Then the next thing I need to do is I need to request for a code that will finally help me to complete the process. I click on this. Okay, so a code has been sent to my email, so I'll go to my email to get a code. Okay, So let me refresh this page. Okay, here it is. The Royal Q email is here. Okay, so all I need to do is copy this code. Okay, after copying it, go back to your Royal Q. Here you paste it. Then the next thing you need to do, you can see this is already enabled for you. You click on bind. Okay, so I'll click on bind. Voila, I have successfully bonded this account. You can see the color is now orange. So this is how simple it is. Very